In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take Squarespace website offline. If you're updating your design, fixing a critical issue, or just need a temporary pause, Squarespace makes it simple to limit public access while keeping all your content safe. Start by opening your Squarespace site in a web browser and sign into your account if you're prompted. Make sure you're working on the correct site if you manage more than one. Once you're in the site editor, look to the left-hand sidebar. Click the gear icon to open the site's settings. This is where Squarespace keeps global controls that affect how the entire site behaves. Inside settings, find and select site availability. Think of this as the master visibility switch for your site. You'll see options that control who can view your website: public, password protected, and private. To take your site offline, you'll focus on the last two. Choose password protected if you want to keep the site accessible only to people who have a code. Enter a strong, easy to remember password and store it somewhere secure. With this option, anyone who visits your domain will see a simple password page first. Once they enter the code, they can browse normally. This is ideal if you want clients, teammates, or stakeholders to review updates without exposing the site to everyone. Avoid sharing the password broadly, and remember that search engines won't be able to index content behind the gate. If you need a complete blackout, choose private. This blocks the public entirely and restricts access to logged-in site contributors only. It's the strictest option and perfect for full rebuilds or sensitive maintenance windows. Visitors will not be able to view any pages, even with a link, and will typically see a default unavailable message instead. After selecting the option that fits your situation, make sure to click Save to apply the change. Look for the Save button in the interface and confirm it updates before you navigate away. If you want to double check that everything worked, open a private or incognito browser window and visit your site's URL. You should either see the password screen or a private notice, depending on what you chose. That's it. By going to Settings, opening Site Availability, choosing Password Protected or Private, and saving, you've successfully taken your Squarespace website offline. When you're ready to return it to normal, you can revisit the same setting and adjust visibility as needed.